Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese date cake. Cut 120 grams of red dates into small pieces and set aside. Add the chopped dates, 120 grams of brown sugar and 120 grams of milk to a pot. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning until all the milk is absorbed. Transfer the cooked dates to a food processor and blend into a smooth paste. Pour the date paste into a large mixing bowl. I recommend using a large bowl. It'll make it easier when we add the other ingredients. Crack in 5 eggs. Beat with an electric mixer. Until the mixture holds a figure 8 pattern without disappearing quickly. Sift in 150 grams of cake flour, 5 grams of baking powder, and 2 grams of salt. Fold until no dry flour remains. Add 80 grams of corn oil and fold until fully incorporated. Pour the date batter into your molds. I'm using 8 cm x 4 cm rectangular molds, which makes 6 pieces. Fill them about 80 to 90% full. They'll rise during baking, so don't fill them all the way. Top with white sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes, chocolate chips, or whatever toppings you like. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 30 minutes. This dish is now ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.